Hi, this is Dustin with TechMD. Today we're going to be repairing an iPhone 4. We're going to be replacing ear speaker. It's just not functioning right. Take our penelope screwdriver and unscrew the two bottom screws here. Go ahead and kick off the phone too. It's actually a 4S. It's supposed to be on here. Where did it go?
What, your phone?
Nope. I'm looking for my SIM card. Pull this piece out here. Mine came off a little bit easier than normal. Make sure you keep track of what direction this earpiece is. Get your new one out. Oh, screwdriver. Here, I'll let you hold your case. Got a flat head. Where's my other flat head? Small flathead to tighten it up, and large Phillips to put it on initially. For the motherboard screws here. And just plugging everything back in, screwing it all down again. The reason why we make these videos is to show techs on how to do phone repairs in the future, so they can learn on different or older devices here. And also, if you're interested in becoming a tech, you can go to our website, www.tech-md.com. tech-md.com. All I do is call it and double check that new earpiece works. If not, well, that sucks. You just have to redo it all over again.
You got 2 extra screws there, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
When unplugging the phone, you have to give it a boot with a charge cable in order for it to come on. And that's because of removing the battery. So if you
You
work,
don't lose any of your memory stuff or your pictures or nothing, right?
nope. But what happens if you lost this phone next tomorrow? Would you lose everything?
Probably.
Did you back up anything? I'm glad I made you think about it. Because it will happen eventually.
Yeah.
Eventually you'll lose your phone, or you'll drown your phone in water and I can't recover it. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. So yeah, you wanna make sure you do that backup for sure.
Is that the cloud thing?
You can plug in your phone or computer and back it up that way.
Oh, okay.
Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Testing. And unfortunately, this one, they sent me a bad speaker. But we'll get it replaced again.